Welcome to Sparks Parts. We ship genuine OEM Toyota parts straight from our dealership to your door. Today we're looking at the 2011 to 2019 Toyota Sienna front and rear splash guard mud flap set, a 4-piece kit that mounts behind each wheel to block road spray, rocks, and debris from hitting your van's lower body. This set fits Sienna minivans from 2011 through 2019, including the popular La, XLE, SE, and limited trims. Your 2011 to 2019 Sienna's front and rear splash guards shield the lower paint and rocker panels from rocks, salt, and slush kicked up by the tires. Without them, you're inviting chips, rust, and premature body damage to high-impact areas. Genuine Toyota OEM guards are contoured to the Sienna's exact body lines for a flush fit no universal set can match. Head over to our website to shop the full catalog of genuine OEM Toyota parts, all backed by the Toyota warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping straight to your driveway. Not sure if this part fits? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the right part for your vehicle. Your VIN is on the dashboard near the windshield, inside the driver's door jamb, or printed on your registration card. It's 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Sparks Parts for genuine OEM every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.